Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafter's Barn. My name is Chris, and in this video I will quickly show you how to sign up and create your account, allowing you to explore, buy and sell your handcrafted products with ease. First, head over to www.craftersbarn.co.uk in your browser. In the navigation bar across the top, you'll see a button that says My Account. You need to select that. Here you'll see two options: log in if you already have an account, or register if you're brand new. Click on Register. Now just fill in the details. If you're a seller, you need to choose I am a vendor, and a series of options will become available, allowing you to fill them in with the appropriate information. It should be fairly self-explanatory. Email address requires your email address, your first name, your last name, and the name of your shop. Importantly, you are also given the opportunity to register your shop URL, as every seller on the Crafter's Barn is given their own shop. The rest of the details are your location, as well as your bank details to receive payments and your contact details. There's also a button you need to press to accept the terms and conditions to register as a seller on the Crafter's Barn. Next, you need to choose your subscription pack. For £3 a month, you will join our community of talented makers and open your online shop. You get your own dedicated shop page to showcase your incredible products, and you will never pay a commission on anything. You keep 100% of what you earn. You'll have me in the background supporting you along the way, and as a seller, your first month is completely free. Sign up today and become part of our warm, welcoming, handmade community. We would love to see you there. Once you have hit the register button, you will receive an email confirmation to your email address that you entered at the top of the page. You need to access your emails, check your inbox, junk or spam folder for that email, and in there will be a link to help you to create a password and activate your account. Once you've activated your account, you are ready to go. And that's it, super quick and easy. You are now officially registered on the Crafter's Barn website, and you are ready to start adding your own personal handmade products ready to sell to our excited audience. We can't wait to see the products you have available for sale.